Okay. Hi, I'm Susie Olson, engineer and author of Annie Aardvark. And then this is my helper here. And today we're gonna make some edible science, and it's gonna be sparkling lemonade. Huh, Jack, do you wanna help? Okay, first up, we have a 1/4 cup of water, 2 squeezed lemons, which is also about a 1/4 cup. We have a tablespoon of sugar, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So first, Jack, can you pour the sugar into the water? Good job. Can you stir that up a little bit? Is this kind of like potions class in Harry Potter? Huh? I bet Fred and George would also like sparkling lemonade. They had lots of fun edible candy that they made in their shop. All right, let's do the big reaction now. Okay, ready? Pour your baking soda, this baking soda, into your lemon juice.
Lemon juice?
No. Pour this into the lemon juice.
Into lemon juice?
No, sweetie. Into this. Pour it into this. Look, it's bubbling. It's fizzing.
So it's going to spill all over this.
Yeah. Do you guys see the bubbles? It's fizzing. All
Yeah,
right.
we have to add a little bit more.
Let's add the water now and the sugar so we can drink our sparkling lemonade.
Woo.
All right. Ready to taste it?
The lemon now.
Yeah, do you want to taste it? Is it fizzy? Yeah. And that's it. That's how you make sparkling lemonade.
Lemonade.
It's a basic, it's an acid and base
Do we do this
reaction,
one
and
now?
that's it.
Do lemon
We'll
now?
squeeze those ones next. Thanks for watching. Bye.